Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's video, where does chocolate come from? A sweet journey. Hi there, little chocolate lovers. Have you ever wondered where your favorite sweet treat comes from? Today, we're going on a super fun journey to discover how chocolate is made, from plants to yummy bars. Let's go! Chocolate starts as a tiny bean that grows on a tree called the cacao tree. These trees love hot tropical places like Africa and South America. And guess what? The beans are hidden inside big, colorful pods that grow on the tree's trunk. Farmers carefully pick the cocoa pods and crack them open. Inside are lots of white gooey seeds called cocoa beans. But don't eat them yet. They need a lot of work to become chocolate. The beans are left to dry in the sun for days. Then they get roasted, just like coffee beans. After that, they're crushed into a thick, gooey paste called cocoa mass. This is where the magic begins. Now comes the fun part. To make chocolate taste sweet and smooth, the cocoa mass is mixed with sugar, milk, and sometimes vanilla. This yummy mixture is churned and stirred until it's super silky. Next, the creamy chocolate is poured into different shapes: bars, candies, or even chocolate chips. After cooling down, it's ready to be wrapped up and sent to stores for us to enjoy. Did you know? It takes about 400 cocoa beans to make just 1 pound, approximately 454 grams, of chocolate. So, next time you take a bite of your favorite chocolate bar, you'll know it traveled all the way from a cacao tree just for you. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. See you next time.